Have you ever walked into a room and felt an instant connection with its decor? That sense of harmony, the perfect blend of colors, and the unique pieces that tell a story. Today we're taking you on a visual journey of home decoration items, unlocking the secrets behind creating spaces that truly speak to the heart. Welcome to Home Decor, and together, let's explore the magic of home decor. But before we dive into the enchanting world of home decor, imagine this. You walk into your dream home and every corner reflects your personality. How amazing would that feel? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will inspire your inner decorator and leave you with ideas to transform your space. Now, every home has a story, and so does its decor. Whether you're into minimalism, cozy hygge vibes, or vibrant boho aesthetics, there's something magical about curating a space that feels uniquely yours. Today, we're not just looking at pretty things. We're decoding the art of creating an atmosphere that resonates with you. Let's start with the heart of any home, the living room. Here, we have a stunning wall art piece that not only adds a pop of color but also serves as a conversation starter. Remember, your decor should reflect your personality and evoke emotions. It's not just about what looks good, but what feels right for you. Moving into the bedroom where comfort is key, we find the perfect balance between style and coziness. From the softest throw pillows to the ambient lighting, every element contributes to creating a sanctuary within your home. It's about turning your space into a haven that rejuvenates you every day. And there you have it, a visual journey of home decoration items that goes beyond aesthetics. It's about weaving a story, your story, into the very fabric of your home. Remember, your space is a canvas, and each decoration item is a brushstroke that adds to the masterpiece of your life. With that said, thanks for joining us on this visual adventure. If you enjoyed the journey or found inspiration for your next decor project, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and don't forget to share your favorite decoration items in the comments below. Until next time, happy decorating!